Number 6. A person should not behave in jest and mockery, nor on other hand, should be depressed and solemn. Rather, he should be cheerful, so that the rabbis of the blessed memory say in Avos 3:17, jest and levity accustom men to immorality. So the guy who's always laughing, always joking and stuff like that, so that leads to immorality. I mean, that's the next step. How do you know? That's what it says in the Torah. So we have to basically not to have these character traits ourselves and stay away from these people. Because why? Because God forbid they're going to get us involved in this. Okay. A person should always also not be avaricious. Russian to gather wealth. Avaricious, I think it's like very greedy. Not greedy, but very greedy. Person also not Russian to gather wealth. Nor depressed and idle from work. So he does not. So basically, like it's very like straight. He does not have to work like workaholics, like I don't know, 15 hours, 10 hours. No, not 10 maybe. Okay, 11 hours, right? Let's say that's too much a day, right? Nor depressed and idle from work, right? So some people they get depressed because of the coronavirus, this virus, that virus, or they're just depressed because they're lazy. They're not depressed; they're just lazy. So they lay on the couch and do nothing. Rather, he should possess a good eye, right? So what does it mean? Be satisfied with himself and his lot in life, not to seek luxuries, and nor to be envious of others in possession of greater wealth. Rambam, commentary to Avos 2:9. So basically, a person will have to be happy with whatever he has. It says clear. We should possess a good eye. So whatever I have, that's mine. Whatever they have a million times more. That's they didn't take it from me, right? And be happy with whatever we have. Rather, he should possess good eye, limits his business activities, so don't work too much, and engross himself in Torah study. And however small his shame in the world, however small his share in the world is, he should be content with it. So it doesn't matter, he makes like whatever he has a place to live, he has food to eat, he has family, that's enough. So said our sages of blessed memory in Avos 4:21. Envy, lust, and pride remove the person from this world. These two things: envy, lust, and pride. Therefore, one must distance oneself from these traits. Okay.